The franchise area is exploding. It's exploding not only in the United States, but in Asia, in Europe. All these franchise companies are proliferating throughout the world. My firm, over the past 10 to 15 years, has developed an expertise in representing franchisees. We have been able to assist franchisees in negotiating very good agreements and avoiding significant liability when there is a conflict between the franchisor and the franchisee. In addition, when the franchisee gets into a situation where they are in default, at that point, we analyze and determine what can we do to help them reduce their damages or perhaps even not have to pay any damages at all. We have experienced most of the issues that arise in these kinds of transactions. Accordingly, we can spot the issues very quickly, and we can tell you what you need to do. It's your decision whether you wish to follow our advice. But we do have that expertise, and we have that expertise from having represented literally hundreds, maybe even thousands of hotels over the past 15 years. We're involved with the Asian American Hotel Owners Association. This association represents approximately 70% of the moderate-priced hotels in the United States. We've seen most of the situations that can arise in a franchise arrangement. We concentrate on real-world legal solutions. We make it happen. Whatever you want to occur, we make it happen.